Emmanuel Community.
Hello and welcome to Celebrate Aging. I'm Vicki Marthaler, your hostess today, and we're here at Emmanuel Community, and I'm sitting in one of our short-term stay rooms at Emmanuel Nursing Home. It's on Cedar Wing. It's our newest wing, and this is a place that you would come if you were planning to have surgery on your knee or your hip or whatever. It seems like we're getting to be bionic people. A lot of things can be popped in and popped out. But if you're planning a recovery, if you're planning a surgery and you need to recover from that before you go home so that you're safe and sound, this is the place to come. And we just developed a nice little flyer. It's available here at Emmanuel. We'd be happy to send it to you. I don't know about you, but I like to plan for as many things as I can. Life has enough surprises the way it is. So if I can just get a handle on things and get some information and do some planning, things seem to go a little bit better. And so what we've done is we've put together a little brochure, and it says, in fact, I'll read it off another one here. The most important part of planning your surgery is planning your recovery. At Emmanuel Community, we have a short stay rehab center. We have a room such as this, of course, for you to stay in. It has its own bathroom, and the hallway brings you down to the therapy room. We've got a wonderful therapy department that will work with you as you're recovering from your surgery, or it can be a medical condition as well. So we've got a lot going on here, and we like to make sure that as people are recovering that they have all that they need. We have our own lounge, our dining lounge here, so you would be able to eat with other people who are rehabbing, get to have that little soul. You can compare notes, who aches the most and who's got the best doctor. All those kinds of things that are important as we convalesce. I mentioned that a medical condition can bring you here as well. It's not always that you're having a surgery. Sometimes people get pneumonia, or maybe they're in a car accident or a fall, an unexpected fall. I mean, well, whoever plans a fall, that would be kind of weird. So you end up hospitalized for one reason or another, and then you need to rehab. Again, Emmanuel is the perfect place to come, for we are qualified with our nurses and our therapists. We have dietitians and social workers. We've got a whole gang here ready to help you and get well and strong so that you can return safely to your home. Now I'm just going to kind of walk through the steps. Let's say you are planning a surgery. You are planning to get a knee replaced or a hip replaced or whatever it may be, and you're going to need a little bit of time. Well, the best thing to do when you know that this is what's going to be is this is a very important phone number for you. This contacts our social worker right away. Her name is Sue Sorensen. We also have a Barb Schiller and a Brenda Labine. We have several social workers here, but Sue Sorensen is the head of the department, and her number is 844-7118. 844-7118. And you'll get the social service department, and then you can begin to say, next month on this day I'm scheduled for surgery and I'm interested in coming to Emmanuel to rehab. Now, Sue will make an appointment with you, or you can just talk on the phone for a little bit too to see what's needful and get the ball rolling. In fact, we invite you to come to Emmanuel as you can, and just check out our rooms and check out this therapy short-term stay wing. I can't say that. Check in with the therapy department. Get familiar with the lay of the land. There's something about Emmanuel. We're always growing and expanding, and sometimes it's just intimidating to walk into a big building and not know which direction you're going. So you come to Emmanuel, and we'll welcome you at the door and bring you, show you the places that we have available, and talk about possibilities and how we would like to see you recover from your surgery. So that number, 844-7118, is the Social Service Department here at Emmanuel. If you want to just look in the phone book under Emmanuel, you're certainly welcome to call our main number, 847-4486. So the first thing you do when you're headed for surgery, you do some pre-planning. And you call Emmanuel, call the social service department and let them know what's going on. And then they'll have a room ready for you. They'll know the date of your surgery, and usually after a surgery you're kept X amount of days, and then you'll come here, so they can plan that out very well, and we'll have the room open and clean. And if you want to bring things ahead of time just to help you in your recovery, sometimes we like our favorite blankets and our throws, or maybe there's a picture on the wall. There's a lot of personal touches. You can bring whatever you want and we'll make sure it's here. Clothes in the closet. You can have clothes in the drawers, bring your toiletries, have them all set out. That's one less thing to hassle about after you've had your surgery. So all that can be here, all that can be in place before you come, and that's really nice. We also work, of course, with your family, and we do a lot of teaching while you're here. There are some people, as they face surgery, that maybe they're diabetic or they have a little heart condition, and so our nurses and our staff, our dietitian will work with you to make sure that you have a good idea of how you can continue on your therapy, on your eating. That we teach about any kind of changes that the doctor. We always work with the doctor. Whatever the doctor's orders are, we try to help you so that you will know exactly what's expected of you when you get home and be on your own. The therapist, too, will go into your home before you return and just check it out, make sure it's safe, and anything else that is needful, any adaptive equipment, they'll help with all of that. Before you're discharged from Emmanuel, we have what we call a discharge meeting, where the therapist and the nurse and the social worker and everyone that's needful is and your family and yourself. Then you'll sit and talk about these things and about how it will be when you go home, because we don't want you to be worried and we don't want you to be stressed. It's stressful enough to be healing. That's what we want you to concentrate on. So whether you have a medical condition that brings you here or a surgery, know that here at Emmanuel, we will surround you with all the care that is needful, for we want you to return to your home safe and sound. And it's not just for seniors. You can be a young person too. We've had several young people here come for rehab, and they have returned back into their normal life, and it's all good. So if you have questions, give us a call. We're here for you in the community. Emmanuel, God with us and God with you. Blessings this day.